T-Speak at 222 with Swing Traders Anonymous. It's 6:47 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast in the United States of America. I want to thank each and every one of you for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, what we do here is first we go over the total crypto market cap, the Bitcoin dominance chart, BITO, ProShares, which is actually up a little bit. We go over Tether and then Bitcoin. I want to thank everybody for tuning in. Keep my mind at ease. As you guys know, Julie's surgery is today. She's at the hospital. So I'm waiting patiently. So I'm going to be doing updates. I'm going to be trying to keep my mind right because it's going to be over almost a 3-hour surgery. So I appreciate each and every one of you for taking the time to help me keep my mind where it needs to be. So first things first, the total crypto market cap. And you're going to see an extensive update in my Future Millionaire page after this. So the total crypto market cap, we're trading between a very tight range here. We're going to take off that 2.19 because we're at in between 2.225 trillion and 2.09 trillion. That's our support right now, 2.09 trillion. We've got underneath support at 2.06 trillion. That would be this local bottom, double bottom would be 2.061 trillion, but the overall double bottom would be 1.924 trillion. So that's what we're looking at in the 30-minute time frame. We have fallen below on the 200-day, so that's very bearish. So we're going to see if that can pull up or if that's going to continue with that trend. Bitcoin dominance chart, I noticed this morning. We've got a double bottom formed here. If you look at it in the right light in the 4-hour time frame, this could be indicating we could have a pump come in. I don't know how high it's going to go, but you might be able to get, for the BITO, not the dominance chart, BITO, I'm sorry, I don't know why I said dominance, but the BITO, the Bitcoin ProShares, we could be getting a pump here to where we could go from like how we double bottomed at 28.91 area. Unless this continues through, we could get a pump up to 32.92, or we're going to get a quick rejection right here at 30.51, and then we're going to push farther down. So this could be a very big swing right now. Not like huge, but there could be an opportunity here for 10 to 15% on Bitcoin ProShares. The Bitcoin dominance chart, again, this is one that has me interested because it looks like it's got a reversal right here, obviously, that could come up and at least bring us into the 41.91 percentile. So that's what I'm looking at. We could even try to bust up the 42.83 percentile, but we've got to get over the 30-minute time frame, which we got rejected by in the 200-day, but we're being held by the support right underneath it. So this looks like we could pop up even more. So just keep an eye there. Tether is the same deal. Tether looks like it could start pumping back up to the top of the zone. I think Tether's working on an overall. When I looked at this, we could have a sneaky left shoulder, head, and then that means this would have to come out to a right shoulder to about there and then come back down. So I think left shoulder, head, right? So left shoulder, head, and then this should come up to a right shoulder. So I'm expecting a move up to about 35.40 with Tether. So that's what I'm seeing with Tether. We've got support right there at 33.97, resistance 34.26, and then Bitcoin. Bitcoin's at 46,000. It's down 660.48, 1.41%. We've got, let's go into the 30-minute. We've got resistance at 47,340, which is actually slightly come down. It's 47,121 in the 30-minute time frame, the 200-day. We've got support at 45,564, and if that breaks, that would be our break. That would come down to 41,994 if this breaks. But we need it to break first. So that's what I'm seeing with Bitcoin. Make sure to hit that like button, turn that bell notification on. Thank you all for your prayers and support for Julie.